Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 16 divided 2 by 4 times 8. So let's start with today's video solution. So what people do, cancel out the 4 with 8 as 2 times and 2 times 2 as 4 and 16 divided by 4 as 4. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. Yes, you had it right. When an expression like this, if you have given multiple operation like division, then fraction, then again multiplication, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. Now first cancel out this part. There are two different things, that is 6 divided 2 by 4 or 16 multiplied 2 by 4. In this case, we can cancel out this with 4 times and 4 times 2 is 8. But in this case, we have to, if we put the multiplication sign, we have to do the reciprocal of this. So since this becomes 16 multiply 4 by 2 times 8. Now you can write this as 2. 16 times 2 is 32 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry over 1. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 1, 256 is the correct answer, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.